Yo, what's up? So, you're probably wondering how many grains is in this container of salt. Yeah, that's a popular question. Everybody wants to know that. So, let's figure it out. A grain of salt is about 0.3 millimeters in length. And they're relatively square, so we're going to assume they're going to be cubical. So now that we have this information, we can go ahead and find the volume of salt, which would be about 0.027 millimeters cubed. Okay, so keep that in mind. That's how much, one grain of salt is. That's how much space it occupies. So now we need to know how much volume of salt is inside the can. We need to know just how much volume of salt is in this can. So it says there are 491 servings, and each serving weighs about 1.5 grams. So that means there is 736.5 grams in this container of salt. So next on our kill list, we gotta find how dense this it is, right? How dense is salt? So to do that, we're gonna go on Google. I'm just gonna tell you how much, how much it is, because I know this already. So the density of salt is about 2.16 grams per cubic centimeter. So let's convert that into millimeters, because we're already working with millimeters. There's no sense to go back and turn everything into centimeters. So divide everything by 1,000, and then you end up getting a cubic millimeter equals 0.00216 grams of salt. So next we gotta take this and we gotta find out how many cubic millimeters of salt are in this container. Not the air. Don't go calculating the air. No, that's not what we're doing. In order to find that, all we got to do is divide the mass of salt in here, 736.5 grams, by 0.00216 grams per millimeter. So after you divide those two numbers, it's going to be 340,972.2 bar notation. Yeah. So now, to find how many grains are actually in this thing, we have to take the amount of a cubic millimeter that 1 grain of salt actually takes up and divide that by the total amount of cubic millimeters inside the can. Once we divide 340,972 by 0.027, we get 12,628,601 grains of salt. So now, thanks to me, you can go in the kitchen or whatever in your friend's house and be like, hey, you see that can of salt? I'm assuming you didn't use it yet because, it's sitting in the pantry that I'm looking in, but however yet, because there are about 13 million grains of salt in there. Bitch. So yeah, you're welcome.